ubu ngubu ikigo kiyoboye ni Muhanga Technical Center, ni ikigo cyigisha imyuga kirenze kiri ku rwego mpuzamahanga giherereye hano i Muhanga. Tega amatwi urebe ibintu twigisha, tugana imyanya bari kwiyandikisha fast mubanguke twiyigire. Banyeshuri n'ababyeyi ngira ngo murumva.
Umurage wa mbere ushobora guha abana bawe nukubajyana mu kigo cyiza gishobora kuba cyaba mu bumenyi ngiro bukenewe ku isoko ry'umurimo. Uba bamenye ibanga bahisemo kwerekeza abana babo muri Muhanga Technical Center, aho babafitiye amashami atandukanye nka Masonry, Automobile Engine Technology, Automotive Transmission, Culinary Arts, Accounting, Software Development na Networking. Aya mashami yose dufite kuva mu mwaka wa 4 kugeza mu mwaka wa 6. Tubafitiye kandi inyigisho zitangwa mu gihe cy'umwaka umwe mu mashami akurikira: ubwubatsi, ubukanishi bw'imodoka, guteka no kwakira abantu, gutunganya imisatsi n'inzara. Ku bindi bisobanuro mwaduhamagara kuri 078 49 90 52. Gwino wige muri MTC uzakura ubumenyi ngiro buzagufasha guha icyerekezo kizima ejo heza.
Ucara mu nshuti zawe bakavuga uruzungu ntugire na kimwe utoramo, nuko hari ibanga bakurushije utamenye. Bagutanze kumenya ishuri Action Driving and Language School. Reka nanjye nkwibira ibanga, gana ishuri ryacu Action Driving and Language School ubasha kwivugira indimi nk'uwavukiyeyo: Igifaransa, Icyongereza, Igiswahili n'Igishinwa. Kuri baba ndi mwifuza kujya mu mahanga namwe tubafitiye impamyabumenyi cyangwa se certificate nka TOEFL, IELTS, DEF na TEF. N'abakeneye kwiga computer ntago twabibagiwe Action Driving and Language School. Kwigisha amategeko y'umuhanda kubashaka provisoire, kwigisha gutwara ibinyabiziga kubashaka perime kandi mu gihe gito. Wadusanga mu mujyi wa Kigali mu nyubako ya Shike muri etage ya mbere umuryango 45C, cyangwa se ukaduhamagara kuri 078 72 46 268.
Aya basi ni camake twirebera episode ikurikiye ni ya 6. Ejo turayisoza ku mugaragaro. Nya, ni hano kuri BTN TV. Izi ni camake zibyo twabonye.
It's a date, I guess.
Yabumvira atagiye gura na sheriwe. Sheri ngo witwa ngo Antoine bagiye gura uyu ni Liz Katururi.
Every day seems cool to you.
Buri munsi tuba twiruka duhiga ibisambo no FBI cyase bahiga abagizi ba nabi. Uyu niwe yagiye gusaba ubufasha. Aya mazina 5 ndagira ngo ndebere ikintu huriyeho twabibonye byose. Ajya kuri wa muhaka bita Celestin. Yeah.
Now each one of our victims thought they died of a simple heart attack.
Biragoye gusobanura famiye z'abantu bari gupfa ko batari kwicwa n'urupfu rusanzwe, ahubwo kari urupfu ruba rwarateguye ibyo byose twagiye tubona fanda bivuga Robert.
These 5 names received a bank transfer of 50.
Bano bantu ko ari batanu bose bakiri 50 kuri konti zabo by'idolari.
Accessed each of the victims' accounts just hours before.
Bisa nkaho ari umuntu banje kujya muri konti z'abari abana akahagera. Babonye kari uyu bo batanze imbere atekereza cyane kubarusha.
Here's the address.
Katururi.
Make sure no one.
Cyane na mverope kandi ukora uko ushenye hagira ukubona. Ni ifoto iriho Robert ari kumwe n'umusaza.
First few lines are what? The sooner we locate him, the sooner we can get him.
Uko twabasha kubona Will Scott imbere niko twabasha kumenya ibiri muri ya liste. WAP ngo niyo password yashyize muri ya telefone ya Kati. Rya jambo arangisha arahamagara. Agiye hamagara ibyo yabonye twabibonye. Hano twari turi. Yasanze umukobwa wabanaga mu nzu kirera ari umugambanyi. Twase bari kureba imbonda bose. Cyawe. Urebe. Cyawe. To. Cye. Cyaje kobwa. Cyamucumbikiye. Ni ikigambanyi. Ntambara iratangira. To. Kubita tababarira urebe. Kurayicoma. Baga biranga. Urebe umukobwa babanaga mu nzu nawe utebere. Cyawe. Kubita ipano biranga. Fata ibyuma mu gikona aramutera harashya. Urebe. To. Banyara mubaga. Ni igikobwa babanaga. Kubita bari mu gikoni. Mugabo arabazwi kandi ubwo ngo bari abashushu be. Fayo deposit ninja hasa kubita tababarira. Gukubita ubundi kubita tababarira utanarobanuye. Yeah. Katururi. ihangana nari ndangaye we uyu ninde umpamagara ndi mu kazi ya twirebera episode ya 6 bakise Cypher ndetse ku munsi w'ejo tuzagasoza ku mugaragaro ndetse izi filime none uzisanga ku gasobanuye films.com ni website y'ubwenge filime zose ubundi zibanza no gusohokeraho abavuga ngo mwabuze filime banze mumenye ibyo website ndetse ni website tubasha kurira mu buryo bukoroye kandi bwihuse bitakugoye aga filime gashya kose za season mwabuze ho zakomereje ni ku gasobanuye films.com yeah iyi ni Cypher Majid Simuri ni director Cypher episode 6 baby yeah akorin akandi yo kaje ku ishuri haraba bagakurikiye bagacunge sasiye gufatiye ninje twasiza yikubita do yahinduye imyenda do
Why?
kubira ikikwiri kaga kobwa atangiye ukabaza dore amacupa birirwaga banywa ya duniya yote basangira wibutsa ko tombo rikomeje ya duniya yote ebe umucuruzi utarangura ikinyorwa cyitwa duniya yote kubera iki ndabasigiramo publicity urebe abambere ukuntu bahembwe neza
You wouldn't understand.
we ntabwo wabyumva
Try me.
ngerageza mbwira ntaribi
I can't.
sinshobora ebe
Enough games.
imikino irahagije yawe
Tell me who you really are.
mbwira urinde kuko urinde
I will shoot.
ndakurasa umugabo muri bande
It's the Cypher. It's always been the Cypher.
byose byahoze ari ya Cypher ndetse na n'ubu ni Cypher iriya Cypher nyine y'ikira gipapuro kiriho amakode imipango yanyu yari iyihe
We needed an encrypted list,
twari dukeneye liste irimo code
but our targets couldn't be identified
kugira ngo abantu tuzice cyangwa ibipimo byacu hatazagira umuntu bivumbura byoroshye
using. You know that.
urabizi ko igihe ari cyo kintu cy'ingenzi
Can't be taken out too early.
ibipimo byacu ntabwo twagomba kubyica mbere cyadutinze kubyicira ku gihe abari kuri iriya liste bari bakeneye liste yanditse mu buryo bwa code
How do I fit in, Claire?
none ngiye bino mbyisanga mu nterero Claire
Tell me.
bwira rebe
It was all Alex.
byose ni Alex wabikoze
He was a computer engineer.
yari computer engineer yakoreraga organization yacu
Alex designed the code.
Alex niwe wakoze iriya code urupapuro rurimo code Alex ni cya cyere kirashe tugitangira
Be the only one who could read it.
ndetse niwe wenyine wari ushoboye no gusoma amazina y'abantu tuzica
Write us with the names of our next target.
niwe wajya gutubwira amazina yakuye muri rwa rupapuro rwa code tukajya kuyica
Alex shot himself.
ubwo Alex yirasaga
No way of knowing our next target.
byaratugoye kongera kumenya abantu bari kuri liste natwe tuzica nibwo twakubonye
You became our only option.
uhita amahitamo yacu yonyine nk'umuntu uzajya udusomera rero
Option?
bivuze ngo n'umugabo y'amazina yose yajyaga asoma ari kumwe n'uyu mukobwa byafashaga abantu bagizi ba nabi kujya kwica abantu kuko ntabwo bari bashoboye kuyisomera
Called you in on the case.
ubwo kati niyo mpamvu yaguhamagaraga ku kirego
Called Kurt about the first name that you had
ubwo wahamagaraga kati izina rya mbere wabonye
ciphered. We verified that person.
twabanje gukora verifiya tureka aribyo turangije twica uwo muntu
We knew that you were capable of
nibwo twabonye ko ushoboye reba filime
doing the name, so you became the man for the job.
wahise uba umugabo ubereye kano kazi
Then you got nervous that it was going to happen.
ubwo wagize ubwoba rero ko bizaba
The FBI.
Yes.
ko FBI izabona kiriya gipapuro
After the name you checked out, we had to get you away from the FBI.
So you faked my death. What about Kurt?
naho se kati byagenze gute
He was collateral.
kati rero yabipfiriyemo gutyo nyine
We knew that he would be your first call, but we didn't consider the fact that
twari tubizi ko ari we muntu wa mbere uzahamagara
Fred.
I didn't kill him.
amakuru avuga ko ari nawe wamwishe ntabwo ari njye wamwishe
It was an accident.
yari impanuka kati yaramwirukanganye
Fault.
byose ni amakosa yawe isa yanjye nyagasani
Kurt,
Gabo.
my friend.
kati yari inshuti yanjye y'amazina yose yagiye akuramo kode akamenya byafasha uno mukobwa yahitaga abwira abantu ati mujye kwica uyu n'uyu nabo ubwabo ntibari bashoboye gusoma kiriya gipapuro
As a friend in this business, Will. But I need you to know
nkeneye kumenya
And I never wanted to hurt you.
ko nigeze nifuza kukubabaza.
What's in this for you?
Ese we bintu birimo guti? Birimo
Me to keep a close eye on you.
cyena kugumya uruhande nyine bashaka ko ngucunga.
Everything is calculated.
Ibintu byose rega byari bibazwe.
The burial,
Kugushingura,
your fake death,
kugaragaza ko wapfuye atari byo.
accident, all of it.
Yamanuka nk'ugonga, byose byari byateguwe. Barategura.
Who are they?
Ni bande?
They're much bigger than you and I.
Baraturenze nge nawe barahambaye.
Everywhere.
Bari buri hamwe.
The government,
Muri leta,
banks,
muri banki,
the FBI,
muri FBI barimo,
CIA,
no muri CIA barimo turakorana.
control everything.
Bakontorora buri kimwe. Nyagasani.
Control the list.
Banakontorora iriya list. Turori.
I trusted you.
Narakwizeye.
Too bad.
Ni bibi cyane. Yari amaze kukizera kano gakobwa.
Well,
Will we.
I'm sorry.
Babarire.
Sure.
Cyane. Nakubabariye genda uzagwa handi. Urebe byiza kubabarira ariko ukigendera. Ntongere kwiteza umuntu wababariye. Yeah. Tuvera tugaruka umwana avuye ku ishuri.
How was your day?
Umunsi wagenze ute?
Do they have to watch me all the time?
Ese bari abantu ni ngombwa bajye bancunga igihe cyose na polisi.
They're there to protect you, hon.
Baba bari kukurinda.
But at school,
No ku ishuri.
your own
Ni
safety.
kubw'umutekano wawe.
They think that some of the things Daddy was involved in were dangerous.
Batekereza ko hari ibintu papa wawe yakoze bishobora kuba byari bibi cyangwa se yari arimo byari bibi.
Tell you something.
Anafite kukubwira.
Do you remember the other day when those agents came by to ask you questions about
Uri kubwo aba agent bazaga bambaza ibibazo byerekeranye na so.
Anna?
Ana.
The reason they came by.
Impamvu baje hano.
Let me know that your father is still
Bari
alive.
baje kumbwira ko se akiri muzima.
Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Ese ibyo ndi kukubwira urabyumva?
Doesn't change anything.
Ibyo se ari cyo biri buhindure. Kana kigize akantu gakuru. Papa n'ubundi ntawe uri hano. Kandi kaza hari ariko kuva ukuntu kibaraguza. Ngo ntacyo biri buhindure n'ubundi papa ntawe uri hano. Yeah. Ako nino. Yeah. Basize bamuziritse. Uyu basize baziritse bacaho. Da. Hey. Da. Azana afata telefone tururi. Yeah.
I then decoded the text using a particular path, which allowed me to incite.
Uyu nguyu yakomeje kubabwira uburyo yakomeje gukoreshamo kugira ngo asobanukirwe ibiri ku rwandiko.
I think he's getting anywhere.
And I then
Ndakeka umuntu ari kugera.
columnar
Ni
transposition
gukoresha icyitwa cramona transposition.
the text into a more regular pattern.
Keep running.
And
Ara kubasobanura ibintu byinshi umva.
You know the method.
Ntabwo dushaka kumenya imitutu uri gukoresha. Ibyo nibikureba.
To the chase. You got
Weho gabanya amagambo uduhe ibisubizo.
I'm just
Kagabo gafite amagambo yo kugaragaza ibikorwa. Ngo nzakoresha imitode ngo nkore gutya ngo nkatahangire gutya. Bwira ibyo ntabwo tubikeneye. Tubwira amatariki n'abantu bazicwa.
Sir, we need a...
Buriya abakozi bararutana. Hari abavuga hari n'abakora. Ngira ngo wabibonye uburyo nuza akora mu Will Scott. We nugufata urupapuro akarara akora akakubwira ati dore amazina na n'iki n'amatariki. Ariko hano harati nzakora uku. Yeah. Uyu afande ari cyo bamuhaye. Ni ifoto ye ari kumwe n'urusaza ahantu hejuru y'inzu. Umusaza bari kumwe.
Did you get this?
Iwe yikuye he?
You find anything on her computer?
Hari kiri kora kuri computer ye? Yetwaye computer wa mukobwa sasa Claire wa mugambanye. Yizaniye amuhakanga yihakinga rebe n'ibiki birimo. Telefone ye. Nta kintu kirimo. Nta message ntaki basiba ibintu byose. Fata telefone mu ugasanga nta message nimwe ibamo nta muntu numwe yigeze hamagara nta na nimero savinze. Ibintu byose ukomeje kunywa hano uzabyishyura.
Ain't no freebies up in here.
Hano nta bintu by'ubuntu bihaba.
A little you give a little. You
ugomba gutwara bicuga ukishyura biki. Ari kunywa dunia yote y'umugabo kandi dunia yote buri umuntu mwana yipfa.
Here we go baby.
Tugire. Dunia yote ubona icyo kinyobwa kigezweho. Mu Rwanda no hanze yacyo. Sibyo Rabani we. Akunino. Yo.
How could you not have noticed? They took Kirk's phone.
Gututarubizi ko afite telefone kata. Antoine wa undi utereta wa mu agent wa FBI no akorana neza n'uyu mugore. Nawe ni umugambanya akorana nabo. Iyi ni inzu yawe. Baramubaza Nyagasani Antoine, umwe maze iminsi ngateretana na Rizi wa mu agent nawe ni umugambanya.
You had a job and you failed.
Wari ufite akazi ko gukora kakunaniye.
That's not all. He knows about warp.
Asi byerekeranye na warp.
He must have scrolled through the phone's call history out.
Menya yarebye abantu yahamagaye. Angwaho.
You had one job and one job only.
Wari ufite akazi kamwe konyine.
You screwed it up.
Urakangiza.
I thought I made this clear to you. How important this is to Chris. How important Will is to us. How do you suggest that we explain this to him?
Urumva bino turi buze kubisobanurira gute boss?
Stupid girl.
I was careful, okay? You ever touch me like that again, I'll kill you.
Nongera kunkurunda kwica.
You say what you want. This one's on you.
Vuga ibyo ushaka gusa umenye ko rino kosa ari iryari we warikoze riri kuri wowe. Cye. Bamuvumbuye. Kandi bashaka kuri amusura kumeza kugenda akuramo code iki n'iki bamenye abantu bose bazica uko ubona bo ntago bafite umuntu wabakuriramo code ngo bamenye ubica. Yo.
Hit list. Orders to date.
Ya list y'abantu bazicwa.
By name.
Amazina y'ibipimo.
Any of this sounding interesting?
Ese bino bintu byose urumva bihari icyo bikubwiye birashishikaje.
Chick is hardcore.
Man, bino bintu biragoye cyane.
What?
You've been living a lie, buddy.
Maze ubuzima bayeho mu kinyoma.
A fiddle.
I know.
Bamaze icyura mukobwa gukina.
Keep tailing Will. If he diverts from the GPS coordinates at any point, hit him and proceed to plan B.
Bano bantu bisa nkaho bagendera ku bintu bimeze nk'ikibarangira amerekezo bahagera byakwanga bakazana plan B.
Play it slow.
Baramubwiye ati message ari gusoma.
Focused.
Uwo muhungu uzatumye yibanda ku kazi ke.
Importantly,
ujye utuzanira amazina y'ibipimo tugomba kwica.
Ciphers them.
Ubwo azajya bamaze gukuramo code.
How could I have been so stupid?
Nabaye ikigoryi.
What?
The going gets rough.
Ibintu nibikomera.
Like to use Anna as last resort.
Tukwemereye kuzakoresha Anna kugira ngo umugabo tumukontrole Anna n'umwana we.
Well.
Ngo nibyanga bazakoresha Anna umwana we kandi koko byanze. Bisa neza.
What? My car?
Imfunguzo z'imodoka ziri hehe? Amenye ko ngo bagabo ubwo yabavumbuye bashobora kuba bakoresha umwana we.
I'm gonna charge him the big bucks. He'll see.
Umuginga nzamwishyuza shahu menshi. Dore imodoka yavugiraga ngo batwaye.
Damn it, pick up.
Taba telefone ari guhamagara mu rugarebe. Katururi. Yo. Katururi.
Damn it.
I already told you he's my information provider.
Uwo numuntu ucyuma makuru.
In this case since the beginning.
Niwe wamaga makuru kuri iki kirego.
Behind the warehouse too?
Ese niwe goye n'aya makuru yo muri warehouse. Yahandi baturaguye iki gipapuro. Yego. Niwe wamaye makuru.
How come you didn't tell us?
Kuki utabitubwiye?
I thought we were supposed to be a team here.
Nari nzi ko turi ikipe hano.
I know that it looks bad, okay?
Ndabizi kandi birasana nabi.
He looks too clean to be an informant.
Ariko uyu mugabo ko mbona ari umuntu urenze atagombye kuba ari babantu batanga amakuru wa CIA.
Yes.
Yego.
My informant is CIA.
Uwo muntu mamakuru wa CIA. Uriya musaza.
I can't tell you more at this time.
Nta birenze undi ubabwire.
Okay, I wanted to tell you guys, but it just wasn't the right.
Ariko uzabibabwire ko igihe ntabwo cyari cyanyacyo.
Hey, you both know that in this line of business,
murabizi muri no business dukora.
We operate in silence.
Dukora bucece mu ibanga rikomeye.
So I'm going to ask you both to trust me right now and
niyo mpamvu ugiye kubasanga umunyizere nonaha.
Is quiet for the time being.
Kandi namwe mwe mucicitse nimugire icyo muvuga nonaha. Sibyo? Bakora akazi.
We never really doubted you.
Ntabwo twigeze tugushidikanyaho.
You can count on us.
Good. Reese.
Tito.
Thank you.
Baramusezeranije.
I do have one more question.
Akora ikindi kibazo nshaka kubaza.
Sure.
Cyane.
Someone slid these under my door, which means they wanted me to know about your informant.
Hari umuntu wazanye runo rwandika runyuza munsi y'urugi rwanjye bisa nko bashaka kumenya uguha amakuru. Ninde warunyoherereje? Sasa uyu nguyu yayisaziwe iwe hararinzwe harabashinzwe umutekano. Kuko uyu mugabo ari guhigwa. Yashiwe kuko yabonye ko abagizi banabahanganye nabo cyase atangiye kugenda asa nk'ufumbura ibyabo bashobora kwifashisha umwana we Katurori ajiwe. Yeah. Ajiwe. Ikiga kimenya umwana bimeze bita umwana arihe. Yeah. Fata umugore we ni njyewe wisakuza.
What the hell are you doing?
She here. Where's Anna?
How did you get past the cops?
Bara polisi bacitse ute?
I'm getting just fine.
It was your
Anna! Where is she?
Will, everybody is looking for you. Is it?
Wira abantu bose bari gushaka.
What have they said?
Ibyo bavuze nibyo bavuze iki?
You're dangerous.
Bavuze kuri mubi cyane.
How could you do this to us? Fuck you pretending you were dead to your daughter.
Ukagaragaza ko wapfuye n'umukobwa wa hari.
We do not have time.
Mubeshye. Ntagiye dufite kibi.
Don't leave this house this minute.
Ndagira ngo nsohokere mu rugo cyangwa magare polisi. Ana ari hehe?
You cannot just pretend you're dead, then come waltzing back.
Ntago wabeshye isi yose ngo warapfuye nurangiza uze mu rugo rwanjye witegembya.
Disrupted enough.
Umwana we wamutesha umutwe bihagije ikirayo. Umugabo ajya kwirebera umwana none umugore afite amagambo menshi. Yeah. Kugera no ku idirishya ry'umwana hariho urwego bisa nkaho umwana yagiye cyangwa se yatwawe kimwe muri ibyo. Katurori. Do. Bano bari hano ni babiri. Ni abagambanyi. Yeah. Ni Claire na Antoine. Zahoro n'umukobwa.
Has he decoded any more of the names?
Ese arandi mazina yari yamaze gukuramo kode?
I don't think so.
Siko mbikeka.
What do we do now?
Dukora iki?
We have to tell them.
Dufite kubabwira.
You tell them. It's your fault, no mine.
Makosa nawe sayanjye ni ugomba kujya kubibabwira ubwo ni ba boss.
It's not safe here. Not anymore.
Kandi hano ntabwo harinzwe.
It's not safe anywhere.
Nta hantu hamwe ahubwo harinzwe.
Claire. I got your laptop, your phone.
Uriya mugabo w'iri Scott ajya kugenda atwaye telefone yawe atwara liste atwara na laptop.
Papa's password protected. So
Laptop yanjye ifite password. Ntabwo yapfa kuyinjiramo. Kumbe ntabwo bazi ko bayishyiriye Celestin w'umuhaka.
Phone. You can bet They're just gonna crack this shit in no time.
Nimba bakuye password muri telefone ya Kati nawe laptop yawe na telefone baraza kubyinjiramo.
I wanna be in your shoes right now.
Sinshaka kuba ndi mu cyimbo cyawe nona. Bakiraho hari uwasonenye. Bakiraho hari uwasonenye.
Expecting anyone?
Hari umuntu urutegereje we. Oya. Wakumanze. Bikangamo. Nta muntu ukibasura iyo bumvisha umushyitsi akomanze bakura y'imbunda. Ndebere nawe. Nanjye burani komeze nta muntu ujya unsura iyo numvisha umuntu akomanze ninsohoka nikiba umwuko. Rebe. Kumba kana dore ngo karigemura. Ana dore ngo karigemura cyane ko kazi ko papa wakaba hano. Uyahita hisha imbunda. Imbunda amenya bayitwara ahantu habi niyo mpamvu ntayikunda. Papa ari hano.
She was right there, Will. She was right.
Umwana wongeye ari hana kana kijyanye kagiye kuri papa akantu papa wako yabaga. Nikazi ko kigemuye mu bagambanye.
What happened?
What do you mean he's not going to change a thing?
We were
Kunkira amakosa nacu biri buhindure.
We're getting over you.
Tetura nakurambiwe pe.
Please.
Basi mi sekonda n'ikirisi rikunda kwinginza wa mugore we. Okay. Gasana. Kwitana ba mwana ntacyo bifasha.
How long has she been in her room for?
Umwana wacu amaze igihe kinini mu cyumba.
Hour, maybe.
Nk'isaha ndakeka.
We have to go to the police.
Tujye kuri polisi rero.
We can't go to the police, Liam.
Ntabwo twite tujye kuri polisi reya.
We need to tell them.
Dufite kujya kubwira polisi.
Get our daughter back.
Umukobwa wacu ndaza kumugaruza.
Will, I am not risking our daughter's life.
Ubuzima bw'umukobwa wacu ntabwo nabushyira mu kangaratete.
Trust the police.
Muri kano kanya na polisi ntabwo twayizera rika.
Our daughter's life is at risk.
Ariko ubuzima bw'umukobwa wacu buri mu kangaratete. Dukeneye ubufasha.
This whole thing started because I trusted a cop.
Byose byatangiye kubera ko nizeye polisi. Nizeye Kati. Kati aniga gatego.
Of course you don't hear.
We nagushaka kunyumva. Will.
Look at me.
Ndeba.
I know you don't love me anymore.
Ndabizi ntabwo ukinkunda.
But I know you love our daughter.
Ariko ndabizi ukunda umukobwa wacu.
For her sake, we have to go to them.
Basi kubwirika tugiye kuri polisi. Tujye kwitabaza polisi. Mwana yabuze.
Call this number.
Hamagara zino nimero. Uyu twamwizera. Ndakwinginze Will. Bakiraho hari ndi yahamagaye.
Hi Daddy.
Bite papa ni njyewe. Naje kureba hamwe wabaga muri ghetto ndakubura. Nje ntungire ikibazo. Ndi kumwe na Sara ni Claire. Ajyanye ahantu ngo kurya. Bayi papa nyagasi nisemenya ko umwana wigemuye muri babagizi ba nabi yasize aziritse.
Tell me, was that her?
Wera umwana wacu. Gasani. Will. Gasani.
Where are we going?
Tugiheze duru umwana.
Your dad wants us to meet him at a place not too far away from here.
Papa yambwiye ngo mujyana ahantu hatari hano kumbe bashimusa kana. Ni kabizi.
Send him a message.
Reka tumwereze message.
Go.
Is it picture?
No, video.
Ugiye kumfata ifoto zawe ni video.
Why are you videotaping me?
Uri kuki uri kumfata video?
For your dad.
Tuyoherereze so.
Hey Dad, we
Bite papa turagukumbuye bagashimusa.
That's perfect.
Ibyo ni sawa. Gasani. Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna wait here.
What? No, Will, I'm going with
Listen. Right now, I'm on the FBI's bad side. You're walking there now, it's just gonna...
Njye na FBI ntabwo tumeranye neza ninjiramo biraba ikibazo.
This could turn into a dangerous situation. I'm not putting you in the middle of something that can turn bad. So if things cool down, someone's gonna come here and they're gonna...
Ibintu bituza byibura umwe ashifite kugarukana ariko reka ngende njyenyine bagiye kuri FBI.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Be careful.
Wirinde.
Yeah.
Avayo. Gumaho mu modoka arigemuye kuri FBI. Yeah. Ebe umugabo FBI iri guhiga. Ni umuntu wa mbere wibuke bari guhiga kuri iki kirego banakeka. Katururi yinjiye muri FBI ku cyicaro gikuru. Uko wumva Rock Entertainment ni icyicaro gikuru cy'agasobanuye muri East Africa. Ndetse ukeneye no kwamamaza ni wamagara ku cyicaro gikuru. Uyu nawe ari hano. barizanye.
So the only way to figure out who took this photograph is to find out where it was developed.
Mbere ko tumenya iyi foto wayifotoye tugomba kubanza kumenya abayihanaguriye cyangwa se yasohokeye.
Source that without a tag.
Ibigo bikomeye bisohoye amafoto bishyiraho tag zabo inyuma.
On the back of the photo.
Good, so we're looking for a small lab.
Bivuze ngo bayikoreye muri laboratoire ntoya. Niho basoreye no foto niyo bayihanaguriye. Bari hano muri FBI. Uyu kwinjira muramubona ku kanya tunga imbunda. Hey, yahigwaga. Sura ye barayizi bano bikangamo. Hagiyeho ubuduha ko ari umugizi wa nabinje muri FBI. Umuyobozi wa FBI yavayo. Gasani. Robert. Barebye umugabo bikangamo bari bari guhiga rizanye. Agent kuri Agent Martin.
Scott.
Nitwa Willie Scott.
I don't believe we've been formally introduced.
Menya hari imbere tutari presentanye neza. Ubu ni ngewe ndizanye. Aje kwipresenta. Ibisigaye mu bindekere. Rebe. Bikanzemo. Bari bari guhiga baramwiboneye. Mwana ari hano. Bagashimuse nikabizi ngo kazi ko gategereje papa. Bwahe. Yeah. Kana kari hano. Rebe. Hakunino. Mva magambo. Baje hano. Kobwa araho yasize akana yaje hano.
Where is she?
Anarihi.
Put her in one of the rooms.
Namushyize muri kimwe mu byumba. Ntaga kwiye kuba ari hano kubwira.
Do that to protect her or us?
Wabikoze ngo urinda ko kana si cya urinde twe. Uravuga iki? Boss Chris. Musaza twigeze kumubona yica abantu. Yitwa Chris.
I'm talking about your intention.
Ndavuga icyo warugamije. Clear we. Ujya guhisha umwana.
Trying to prevent her from overhearing sensitive information.
Cyawagira ngo uramwana tumva ikiganiro nk'iki turi kuganira gikomeye.
Meeting here or were you trying to keep the little
Cyawa uri kugerageza kurinda kariya kana.
Both.
Byombi. Katumva ibyacu no ukarinda uburibwe.
Servant or a
bundi bugomba kuba umukozi w'umwizerwa cyangwa
honest enemy.
Cyangwa ukaba umwanzi weruye.
No middle ground here.
Kuba loyal servant cyangwa se honest enemy.
You ever heard?
Uvuga ati nge ndi umwanzi wawe ukicara unabiza pana kuryarya umuntu.
No.
Ubwira ngo ndagukunda umwanga nibyo bibi.
A snake and a mouse strike a deal.
Inzoka n'imbeba byigeze kugirana rero amasezerano. Wumve?
The snake tells the mouse that as long as it brings it
Inzoka ibwira imbeba ati mu gihe cyose uzajya unzanira ibyo kurya.
Keep it safe.
Weho ntacyo nzagutwara.
And live together in peace.
Tuzabana mu mahoro. Inzoka ibwira imbeba tujye unzanira icyo kurya.
Brings his other mouse.
Imbeba ikajya kuzana izindi imbeba z'inshuti yazo.
The snake eats one after another.
Inzoka ikarya zambi, inzoka ikarya zambi.
I'll keep its promise.
Kugira ngo yambeba nanone irindi sezerano.
The mouse meets another mouse.
Umunsi umwe imbeba iza guhura n'indi mbeba nanone. Biba inshuti magara.
But the snake is hungry.
Ariko iyo nzoka yari ishonje.
The mouse was taking a liking to his friend.
Nanone imbeba ifata ya imbeba y'inshuti yayijyana ku nzoka.
To save itself.
Ariko nanone ya mbeba bwira ya nshuti yawe imbeba ati wirinde inzoka itakurya.
The snake knew.
Inzoka irabimenya ko imbeba yayigambaniye.
Was up to something.
Imenya ko ya mbeba yayizaniraga izindi mbeba ngizirye hari ikiri gupanga. Inzoka ntikibabarira.
Don't forgive.
Inzoka ntishobora kubabarira. Muze
You know what the snake did next?
uzi ikimbeba inzoka yahise ikora muzehe kandi ubwo abakomeje iyo nkuru ye anarakaye vayo inzoka yakoze iki zana
It got out of its hole.
inzoka yavuye mu mwobo wayo
Slithered its way to the mice.
Ate them. Ikuruza inda mpaka igeze kuri ya mbeba izirya zombi.
I'm really disappointed, Claire.
Nengushye cyane Claire. Ubwo ni nko kumbwira ati nawe nakwicana nako kana uri kugerageza kurinda kandi ari wakanzaniye abo nica.
We don't need it.
Iyo laptop nayo dukeneye. Y'umukobwa.
Listen up.
Mwumve.
We've already set the bait.
Twamaze gutega agatego.
All we have to do now is wait for Will to bite.
Icyo dutegereje nuko Willy agwa muri ako gatego. Kandi arakagwamo.
Just a matter of time.
Nuko igihe kitaragera tu.
We need to retrieve the computer.
Ariko dufite kugaruza computer.
That content remains confidential.
Ko ibiri muri iyo computer biguma ari ibanga. Ni computer y'umukobwa batwaye. Gatururi. Watwaye computer y'umukobwa ni Willy yishyiriye wa muhaka bita Celestin.
Chris, I don't want this little girl to get hurt.
Sinshaka uyu mukobwa babara.
Consequences, Claire.
Ingaruka Claire.
You made a mistake.
Wakoze ikosa. Wakoze ikosa.
As Will cooperates.
Mu gihe Willy papa uriya mwana yemera gukora natwe ndashaka ko nsezeranye.
Like I said, it's up to Will Scott.
Nuko nakubwiye Willy ni uri buze guhitamo icyo dukora.
He can stay in line long enough.
Katurebe ko yaguma mu murongo igihe kirekire gihagije. Willy ni yemera gukorana nabo akana ke ntacyo bari bugatware.
Just doesn't add up, Will.
Ndabona bitari gura Will.
The coffin, the accident, Kurt. Doesn't make any sense. And right now, you are our #1 suspect.
Niwe muntu wa mbere buno dukeka.
With all due respect, sir.
Mu cyubahiro cyanjye kubahwa.
This shit's whether or not you believe me.
Ntabwo mbyitaho nimba unyizera cyangwa utanyizera.
Take me away.
Kimfunga unjyane.
I came here of my own free will because I cannot continue solo.
Nizanye hano ku bushake bwanjye kuko ntashakaga gukomeza kwikorana.
My daughter needs your help, so arrest me.
Umukobwa wanjye akeneye ubufasha.
Promise you will get her back.
Mumfunga ariko munsezeranye ko umukobwa wanjye muri bumugarure.
Do you believe your ex-husband?
Isohoza umugabo uramwizeye ibyo ari kuvuga. Baza umugore. Tigiye mumfunga ariko umukobwa wanjye. Yego umugabo wanjye namwizeye. Umugore.
Okay.
Okay.
Play me your daughter's message.
Reka twumve ubutumwa umukobwa yakoherereje.
Yes.
Arabakinira bite papa?
I came to see you, but you weren't there.
Naje kureba ariko ntabwo wari uhari. Je nungire ikibazo.
She's taking me out with her new friend to go eat something.
Sara anjanye gugura n'izindi nshuti ze.
Last thing she said was that she's going with Claire and one of her friends somewhere.
Amakuru yanyuma yatanze ngo yarajyanye n'uwitwa Claire. Kureba undi muntu w'inshuti yabo.
We are terribly sorry about what's going on, but we will do our absolute best to get your...
Utware kubiri kuba ariko turakora uko dushoboye. Tugarura umwana wawe.
Watch.
Umwana wanjye ngo mwarimu murinze.
Listen, dude.
Kandi ubwo ko hanze y'urugo rwabo hahoraga imodoka ya polisi ngirinze umwana.
Willing to run with your story, okay? For now.
Muri akanya rero.
I'm gonna need some collateral, Will, okay? To make sure that this isn't some sort of a setup.
Nyeneye ko dukorana kugira ngo menye ko bino bintu atari agatego.
This is just a lot to take in.
Bino bintu biragoye kwita tubyakira. Urashaka duhere. Duhere. Hari laptop mfite.
Laptop, good.
Laptop byiza.
It belongs to Sarah.
Ni ya Sara.
And it has a ton of code on it.
Irimo amakode menshi cyane.
Where do we find this?
Iyo laptop turekura.
Someone working on it as we.
Iyo laptop rene isigiye mugenzi wanjye.
Okay, where do we find this?
Uwo mugenzi we turamusanga ye bamwita Celestin.
Okay. We need to know where this guy is.
Turashaka kumenya Celestin wasigiye iyo laptop w'umuhaka ari he. Umuhaka w'ibukeretano y'ibiri kumuhiga. Gatururi.
Okay, I'll take.
Sawa. Reka mbajyane.
Will, I'm afraid not. I think you can give us an address.
Wewe uraduha adresse?
I don't trust you yet.
Kuko ntabwo turakwizera twijyane.
You back out on the street.
Ntabwo twete tugusubiza ku muhanda.
I don't have an address.
Nta adresse zimfite.
You know where it is by way of memory.
Gusa mu mutwe nzahana tuye tugiye nahabereka ariko sinzi uko hitwa. Hari igihe uzana umuntu atuye ariko utibuka ngo gisara ahantu nagusuye hitwa ngo iki ariko uhibuka.
prisoner?
ese hano nabaye imfungwa umwana.
No, what makes you think that?
N'igitumye utekereza gutyo?
Door was locked.
Umuryango wari ufunze.
Well, that's to keep others from coming in.
Oya no kugira ngo abantu batatwinjirana baturutse hanze. Uyu mukobwa ariko nubwo yashimuse kano kana we nifuza aka kana bakababaza.
That's okay.
Meze sawa.
What are the guards for?
I work with a guy and he likes to feel safe, so we hire.
Umugabo dukorana yifuza ko twaba dutekanye niyo mpamvu.
So.
Is Daddy coming?
Ese papa araza ryari?
Can you take me home? My mom's gonna be home.
Ntabwo ntahana mu rugo mama arahangayitse.
Well, actually, your dad is with your mommy right now, and he told her.
Papa wari kumwe na mama none habura yamubwiye ko umeze neza nta kibazo.
He did?
Koko se?
Yeah.
Yego.
Yeah, everything is gonna be okay.
Ibintu byose biraza kumera sawa.
Come here together?
Baraza kuzana na hano se?
They said.
Niko bambwiye.
Okay. Who hurt you?
Ninde wakubabaje?
Oh, that was nothing. I just.
Bino ntacyo naguye arabeshya. Arabeshya ni papa w'umwana wa mukubise cyagiye bari kurwana iminwa yabyimbye. Urebe. Bidatinze barakwereka hano hari zafashe inzira zirerekera. Yeah. Weguma mu modoka bamuzanye arahaberetse aho Celestin akorera. Celestin niwe yasigiye laptop ya wa mukobwa ukonana n'abantu.
He's innocent. Just grab the laptop.
Mwibuke ko Celestin arengana mufata laptop ye gusa. Yo. Yo. Binjira hano aho Celestin akorera. Celestin wasigiwe laptop na telefone bya wa mukobwa. Clay bivuze ngo baje kubyinjiramo bashobora kubona ibyo yakoreragamo muri telefone muri laptop ibyo yakoraga amabanga ye byose. Nibura nanjye laptop yanjye itwaye hari byinshi wamenya nakoraga. By'ubwenge ariko amaproje ibintu byubaka. Cyane cyane buramba ndi gutegura imishinga y'ukuntu mwakizwa mukareka imico mibi. Binjiye hano kwa Celestin. Abashinzwe umutekano. Jirano. Rebe. Kwinjira hano. Celestin bamurangije kare. Hey! Celestin yishwe. Bari abagabo ntago bakina. Celestin bamurangije kare. Bamurabyivu.
Umurage wa mbere ushobora guha abana bawe ni ukubajyana mu kigo cyiza gishobora kuba cyabaha ubumenyi ngiro bukenewe ku isoko ry'umurimo. Uba bamenye ibanga bahisemo kwerekeza abana babo muri Muhanga Technical Center aho babafitiye amashami atandukanye nka Masonry, Automobile Engine Technology, Automotive Transmission, Culinary Arts, Accounting, Software Development na Networking. Aya mashami yose dufite kuva mu mwaka wa 4 kugeza mu mwaka wa 6. Bafitiye kandi inyigisho zitangwa mu gihe cy'umwaka umwe mu mashami akurikira: ubwubatsi, ubukanishi bw'imodoka, guteka no kwakira abantu, gutunganya imisatsi n'inzara. Ku bindi bisobanuro mwaduhamagara kuri 078 49 90 52. Gwino wige muri MTC uzakura ubumenyi ngiro buzagufasha guha icyerekezo kizima ejo heza. Amahirwe koko aza rimwe mu buzima. Uwazanye ikinyobwa duniya yote yegereje abanyarwanda andi mahirwe. Tombora iby'agaciro binyuze mu kinyobwa duniya yote. Banyarwanda banyarwandakazi bakunze b'ikinyobwa cyacu, aya mahirwe ntabacike. Mu gihe cyose uguze ikinyobwa cyacu uramenye ntujugunye umufuniko, kuko ariho hibereye amahirwe 1000 yo kuba watsindira ibintu by'agaciro nka televiziyo, telefone, decoder za Canal canal plus amagare kasike za moto n'ibindi byinshi. Icyo usabwa nta kindi, wowe nyarukira ahacuruzwa ibinyobwa hose mu gihugu maze wisabira ikinyobwa Dunia yote, nawe winjire mu bandi banyamahirwe. Nyamuneka aya mahirwe ntabacike kuko ab'inkwakuzi ibya mbere batangiye kubyibikaho. Dunia yote, genda wazi igihe koko.
ujya wicara mu nshuti zawe bakavuga uruzungu ntugire na kimwe utoramo, nuko hari ibanga bakurushije utamenye, bagutanze kumenya ishuri Action Driving and Language School. Reka nanjye nkwibira ibanga, gana ishuri ryacu Action Driving and Language School ubashe kwivugira indimi nk'uwavukiyeyo: Igifaransa, Icyongereza, Igiswahili n'Igishinwa. Kuri baba ndi mwifuza kujya mu mahanga namwe tubafitiye impamyabumenyi cyangwa se certificate nka TOEFL, IELTS, DEF na TEF. N'abakeneye kwiga computer ntago twabibagiwe. Action Driving and Language School kwigisha amategeko y'umuhanda kubashaka provisoire, kwigisha gutwara ibinyabiziga kubashaka perime kandi mu gihe gito. Wadusanga mu mujyi wa Kigali mu nyubako ya Shike muri etage ya mbere umuryango 45C, cyangwa se ukaduhamagara kuri 078 72 46 268.
Sezera ku bushomeri guhera aka kanya. Mvuze ngo iki? Sezera ku bushomeri guhera aka kanya. Ubu guhera ku 200 byawe wowe umu agent wa FDI ukajya utanga serivisi zo gucuruza umuriro, amayinite ndetse n'ifatabuguzi rya StarTime n'ibindi byinshi bitandukanye, ugatangira gukorera umufungo, ubushomeri ugatera ishoti ukitwa cash money. Ku bindi bisobanuro watwandikira kuri email yacu info@fdibiz.com cyangwa ukaduhamagara kuri telefone yacu ariyo 078 1 5 FDI kuzaniye application yitwa Ifashe. Ushobora kuba wakoresha igura umuriro, amayinite ndetse n'ifatabuguzi rya Star Times. Nta kindi bisaba uretse kudownloading application Ifashe kuri Google Play. Sibyo gusa kandi kuko no kubakoresha amatelefone y'amatushe tutabibagiwe. Kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ube wabasha kubona izo serivisi zose zavuzwe haruguru. Gabanyirizwa kugeza kuri 5.5% kuri buri serivisi yose uguze ukoresheje application Ifashe. Ku bindi bisobanuro watwandikira kuri email yacu ariyo info@fdibiz.com cyangwa ukaduhamagara kuri telefone yacu ariyo 078 1 5 6. Ifashe, easy and affordable for you.
Waba warihebye cyangwa baraguciye intege wumva ko ubwo burwayi ufite nta kizere, gana ivuriro Benson Life Center ryujuje ubuziranenge, igufitiye imiti yizewe kandi yagiye ifasha benshi. Dufite umuti witwa Ishema ufasha abagabo benshi bacika intege mu gihe cyo gutera akabariro. Ku bagore twabazaniye umuti witwa Igisubizo cy'umunyarwandakazi, ni produit ifasha abagore batagira ubushake, ububobere ndetse n'amavangingo mu gikorwa cy'amabanga y'abashakanye. Tunafite imiti ifasha abantu bahuye n'ikibazo cyo kwikinisha, imiti ivura amibe ikanavanamo igikono cyayo. Tunavura abantu bafite ibibazo by'imitsi, amagufa, uruhu n'ubuhumekero n'izindi ndwara nyinshi. Ku bindi bisobanuro ivuriro Benson Life Center wadusanga mu Gatenga ku muhanda uzamuka uteganye no kwisonga, cyangwa se ukaduhamagara kuri nimero zikurikira 0788 64 38
Inyama nk'umukino ibagirwa ibindi byo gukanda guhera none. Fata telefoni yawe ukande akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ubone ibitangaza, aho ushobora kugura umuriro, amayinite, ifatabuguzi rya Star Times ukagabanyirizwa buri uko uguze. Kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego uranshimira nyuma. Ifashe, easy and affordable for you. Kadashya
ntabwo bisanzwe mu mujyi wa Kigali, kuko kuri ubu aho wakirira inshuti mugasangira mwisanzuye hafunguye imiryango. Ariko kandi ni ngombwa ngo nawe ubwawe wifate neza usohokera ahantu hagezweho muri Kigali habereye ijisho, aho witegera ibikorerwa mu murwa mukuru w'u Rwanda. Mwabamenye nka Gift Supermarket kwa Rubangura, ubu none uhagezweho Gift Restaurant, aho serivisi ubaziho kuva izina warimenya zigenda zihinduka, zaguka kandi zinarushaho kunogera abahagana, yaba ari breakfast, lunch, pizza, coffee juice cocktails ndetse n'agasembuye byose ni standard. Dusange mu mujyi rwagati mu nyubako ya Kigali City Tower hariranga kuko hari terrace irahirengeye mu mitako ibereye ijisho. Duhamagare kuri 0788 tugukorere home delivery cyangwa booking.